Fliki AI can be a tool to consider for video affiliate marketing in 2024. Here's how you can leverage it. Join Fliki's affiliate program. You can use the link in the description. It's free and doesn't require a paid Fliki subscription. You'll get a unique affiliate link to share. Promote Fliki with your affiliate link. Fliki works well for video content creators. You can target audiences who would benefit from Fliki's features, like YouTubers, bloggers, or social media influencers. You can create in-depth reviews showcasing Fliki's functionalities. You can use Fliki itself to create some parts of the video. You can make tutorials demonstrating how Fliki helps with video creation. You can write blog posts about Fliki's features and benefits. You can promote Fliki across social media platforms relevant to your audience. Focus on the value Fliki brings to your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship with Fliki. Disclose that you may earn commissions if viewers sign up through your link. By following these steps, you can leverage Fliki AI as a tool in your video affiliate marketing strategy for 2024. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Fliki AI.